Sediment filtration. The first stage usually involves a sediment filter, often made of spun polypropylene or other materials. This filter's primary function is to remove larger particles like sand, silt, rust, and other sediment from the water. By doing so, it prevents these larger particles from clogging the subsequent filters and protects the system's overall performance. Activated carbon filtration. The second stage usually incorporates an activated carbon filter. Activated carbon is a porous material that can effectively absorb and trap various contaminants, including chlorine, volatile organic compounds VOCs, some heavy metals, and certain chemicals. This stage helps to improve the taste and odor of the water, as well as removing some harmful substances. Reverse osmosis RO filtration. The third stage, commonly found in more advanced three-stage water filter systems, is the RO membrane. Reverse osmosis is a process that uses a semi-permeable membrane to remove a wide range of contaminants, including bacteria, viruses, dissolved solids, fluoride, arsenic, lead, and more. RO filtration provides high-quality drinking water by pushing water through the membrane, leaving many impurities behind in the reject stream. It's important to note that the effectiveness of the water filter system will depend on the quality and design of the filters used. When choosing a three-stage water filter system for your home, consider factors such as the flow rate, filter lifespan, maintenance requirements, and certification from reputable organizations like NSF/NADI.